The only thing you need to clean your water jug is white vinegar. Baking soda is optional to remove smell later. First, you're going to want to dump out all the water remaining in your jug, and then pour about 1 cup of white vinegar into the jug like so, and then fill it up using warm water. I'm using a pot because my jug doesn't fit in the sink, obviously, and you're going to want to fill it about 1/3 the way full, and then shake it for about 20 to 30 seconds. Make sure you shake it every single direction so you get the handle, the lid, and every single side like I'm doing so in this clip. Once you've given a good shake, you're going to want to let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Vinegar kills about 99% of bacteria in this water jug, and once it's been 20 minutes, you're going to want to shake it once again to remove any of the slime on the inside of the bottle before dumping out the water with vinegar in it once again. Once you've dumped out the water, you can actually buy this separate cleaning device that I've linked in the description if you do want to deep clean the insides, but this does kill 90% of the bacteria with the vinegar method I'm showing you. Next, you can put some baking soda in your bottle, and we're basically going to want to rinse it out to remove the vinegar smell from the bottle. If you don't have baking soda, just put some water and give it a good shake for about 20-30 seconds once again. Dump out the water, and your bottle is now officially clean once you clean the lid. And it's very important that you let your bottle dry when you're actually not using it and it's completely empty. This prevents biofilm and bacteria from growing on the inside. This is the best tip I can give you. Thanks for watching, and I recommend doing this every week.